Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add in like customized cutout on your videos on CapCut PC. So go to Cutout and select customize, and you have to tap the pro account, so make sure you join pro first. What I basically did to have this pro is that I just waited. Honestly, it just showed up one day without me updating it. So if you don't have it on the CapCut PC app, like, I don't really know what to tell you, but you just have to wait until it shows up automatically. So you're going to select either the smart brush or what's this one? This is the eraser. Oh, you can use the eraser one. That part is free. And here you can like delete, I think. Let me try this on first. Let's just select the person. And okay, doesn't work somehow. Maybe we do have to use the pro one to select the person. I'm just going to do it like quickly. And it's going to apply that customized cutout for you. But again, this is a pro like effect. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to hold on. Comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.